Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Java programming. Today we're going to see the topic that is, or you can say the application, draw 3D rectangle with example. So simple applet coding. How can you start means you can start with the applet code. You can give the name as draw 3D rectangle example width and height time setting. If you want, you can make it more. Then we are going to write the Java code here, that is import java.applet.applet, then java.aw.color, and so on. We are writing inputting the package like graphics, and we can start the program. The program name giving draw 3D rectangle example extend applet. Then we can write the, as usual, know the life cycle of the applet. We are going to continue public void main. Then we are saying g dot set color. Then we are going to write the 3D direct. So we can write the, we can use the method called draw 3D rectangle, that is int x1 comma into y1, and we can add the width, height, and all the data type whatever one here. Then we are can draw g dot draw 3D rectangle of 10 comma 10 comma 50 comma 100 comma 2. This is for may create the triangle with these measurements. So if you want, you can change it. So then we can go 3D square. So 3D square, we can use the function called g dot draw 3D rectangle of size we are giving 100 comma 100 comma 50 comma 2 like this, and g dot set color of color dot orange. So if you want, you can change the color blue anything. Then we can fill the information with the help of height method. So I'm writing g dot fill 3D rectangle. What are the measurement giving 10 comma 150 comma 50 comma 100 comma 2, as you know the life cycle of the applet and so on. Then if you want the same width and height, you can give. Then at last we can draw fill it g dot fill 3D rectangle of 100 comma 200 comma 50 comma 50 comma 2. So like this you can write. So simple program to generate, and you can say create an 3D draw 3D rectangle. How do you compile? So as usual, you can compile with the help of Java space program name dot Java. There is no error, so we can view applet viewer space draw 3D rectangles example dot Java. Once executed, it generate the output like this. So the 3D arc. So we are creating with the help of like this only. This is all about create and draw 3D rectangle, or you can say generate the 3D rectangle with the help of Java applet. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.